with the beginner level strategies, okay? Before we go with the first strategy, I want you first to answer this particular question. Okay, so I want you first to answer this particular question. This is a communicable disease question. Okay, so try to answer it. You can pause the video if you want. And if you need more time, try to answer it. So, what's your answer? Wala ako, sagot mo. B. Tama ba ako? Paano nagawa ni Mr. Rondalan yun? Ginawa niya na itong video na to bago pa ako mag-isip. Hindi, kasi common na sagot ng mga students is letter B. Pero, okay, that's the wrong answer. Okay, let's go with the first strategy. I'm sure that you have heard about this particular strategy. This is known as the umbrella effect. What is the umbrella effect? Okay, umbrella, or otherwise known as the global response strategy. An umbrella is an answer that encompasses other answers. Okay, for example, A is red, B is orange, C is yellow, D is colors of the rainbow. What's the best answer there? Okay, the best answer is letter D. Why letter D? Because if you answer letter D as if you've answered every other choice, ibig sabihin, letter D contains all the other choices. Para siyang all of the above na hindi literally sinabing all of the above. Kailan daw pwede gamitin ang umbrella? Ang umbrella, ang minimum requirement is kailangan positive system. Ayan na. Nalaman mo na ngayon na bago ka mag-strategize, kailangan marunong kang mag-modify. Kaya yung mga hindi pa nakakapanood ng modification video, pakipanood muna yung mga modification video bago kayo pumunta sa Itsumotesta. Learn to crawl before you learn how to walk. Tatandaan niyo yan, ha? Okay, so sige, let's go with this one. Now, try to answer this one. Si Chen. What's the answer? The answer here is... What's your answer, guys? The answer here is letter B. Why? Because that's an umbrella answer. Okay? Directed towards is the keyword. Can you follow? Therefore, okay, what's the best answer? Since it's positive, the best answer is letter B. Because letter B is an umbrella. Sir, Mr. Talan, why not letter D? Health education, masyadong precise. Pero eto, sinabi niya, the entire community. Pag sinagot ko ang letter B, para ako nang sinagot ang A, para ako nang sinagot ang C, para ako nang sinagot ang letter D. Therefore, it encompasses everyone. It creates an umbrella. Can you follow? Kaya siya tinawag na umbrella answer. Still with me? Okay, now, let's go back to the question na kaninang pinasasagutan ko sa inyo. What's the answer right now? Okay, it makes a lot of difference kapag marunong ka kung kailan gamitin ng strategies, tama? Okay, priority ang keyword. Therefore, we're looking for a what? Positive, negative. We're looking for a positive answer. And then, YA. Sputum positive, persistent cough, hemoptysis are all signs and symptoms of tuberculosis. Therefore, pag sinagot ko ang A, para ko silang sinagot lahat. That's what you call an umbrella answer. Are we clear? Still with me? Okay. Kunwari naririnig ko kayo sumasagot ng yes. Sige. That's the umbrella. So, umbrella, an answer that encompasses any other answers. Let's go to the next strategy. The next strategy is kilala nyo na. Kung nanood na kayo ng modification. Okay? Ipapakilala ko lang siya uli sa inyo. Okay? It's the foundation of test taking. And what is that? The foundation of test taking? The foundation of test taking is none other than elimination. The name of the game. In my book, Nursing Board 101, 3rd edition, the 2010 edition, I call this burning the hay. Okay? Elimination is the process of taking away the wrong answers and limiting your choices to the right ones. It's basically increasing your statistical percentage of getting the correct answer. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Okay? Yes, elimination is trying to eliminate the wrong choices. And follow? So, kung marunong kayo mag-burning, more or less marunong na kayo na elimination. Okay? Now, pag narinig ng students ang test taking, for example guys nalaman ng students na ang subject pala niya is test taking for that particular day, merong dalawang common reaction ng students, which is both are wrong. Okay? For example, uy, test taking daw tayo si Mr. Untalan daw. Ang unang iniisip ng students, tuturuan ako niyan that the longest answer is the right answer. Alam nyo, sabi ko nga, the longest answer is the right answer is not even a test taking strategy. And follow, yun ang unang misconception ng students. Iniisip nila na walang kakwenta-kwenta test taking. Yun, walang kwenta. And follow? Okay. Second misconception. Mahirap yan. Para magamit ko yan, kailangan matalino ko. And again, that's another misconception. Always remember, the elimination is the foundation of test taking. But elimination is not trying to know everything, but utilizing what you already know. Gamitin nyo yung alam nyo, guys. Naintindihan? Ano ibig sabihin ng gamitin yung alam? For example, nakipaglaban ka na dun sa dragon. Wala kang dalang barel. Ang dinala mo sa labanan, masyado kang na-inspire dun sa kwento ni Mr. Untalan. Toothpick kung toothpick, barbecue stick kung barbecue stick. Okay? Hindi ka na nga nag-aral. Barbecue stick kung barbecue stick na ang dala mo. Okay. Sabi mo ngayon, nung nakikipaglaban ka na sa dragon dahil nahihirapan ka, sabi mo, sayang, kung medal lang sana ako kahit barel, kahit 9mm lang, bagsak sa akin yung dragon na yan. Ang problema, hindi ka nagdala ng barel Ang dinala mo, toothpick na knowledge. Ang dinala mo, barbecue stick na knowledge. Patayin mo yung dragon gamit yung barbecue stick mo. Patayin mo yung dragon gamit yung toothpick mo. Naintindihan nyo? Yun ang ibig sabihin ng use what you know. Okay, follow? Siguro hindi nyo ako maintindihan. Let me give you a concrete example. Okay? Do you know what's a lakarat? Lakarat, guys. L-A-K-A-R-A-N-T. Wala mag-google search, ha? Okay, lakarat. Now, maybe you don't know what's a lakarat. But if I give you choices, look at the choices. What's your answer? Kanina hindi mo alam, pero ngayon, letter D ka agad. Tama? Bakit sumagot ka letter D? Kasi, bakit hindi mo sinagot ang A? Kasi sir, that's a circle. Shhh! Eliminated. Bakit hindi mo sinagot ang B? Kasi sir, that's square. Shhh! Bakit hindi mo sinagot ang letter C? Kasi sir, that's diamond. Shhh! Ano ba to? Hindi ko alam yung tinatanong sa akin. Malamang ito na yun. That's elimination. Wala pang 5 seconds, ginawa yun ng utak mo. Ay, follow? Ang utak natin nag-eliminate mag-isa yan. Kaya lagi yung tatandaan, kapag hindi mo naiintindihan ng STEM, mag-focus ka sa choices. Kapag hindi mo naiintindihan ng choices, mag-focus ka kay STEM. Kapag hindi mo na alam ang tinatanong sa'yo, wag mong sasabihin sa sarili mo, hindi ko to alam. Ang unang-una mong tatanong sa sarili mo is, anong alam ko dito? Maximize mo ang knowledge mo. Are we clear? Okay. Sige, try natin to. Which of the following vaccines are given in 3 doses? Huwag mo sabihin sa akin ang binibigay ng 3 doses. Sabihin mo sa akin ang hindi binibigay ng 3 doses. Okay, siguro sagot mo BCG. Bakit? Ilang dose ba BCG? 1 in under 5 twice in a lifetime. eliminated. Next mo siguro sagot is measles. Kasi once lang yan, 9 months. Next is dalawang measles. Eliminated. The only possible answer is letter A. That's how you use elimination. Okay, how about this one? Try mo nga to. Which of the following is a live attenuated bacterial vaccine? What is tetanus? What type of vaccine is tetanus? It's a toxoid. Therefore, eliminated. What type of vaccine is pertussis? It's a subunit. Therefore, eliminated. What type of vaccine is diphtheria? It's another toxoid. Therefore, eliminated. Only possible answer, BCG. Well, siguro hindi mo napapansin reaction ko, Mr. Untalan, pero kung hindi mo alam, ikaw lang nakakaalam ng mga pinagsasabi mo. Ako lang ba nakakaalam ng mga pinagsasabi ko? Sige. Okay, balik tayo dito. Reset. Okay. I-edit ang tape. Reset. Hindi, biro lang. Sige. Focus on the choices, guys. Focus on the choices. Tingnan mo kung sino na pwede mong i-eliminate. Nagets mo? Bakit A, B, and C pwede mo na agad i-eliminate? D, P, T. Mas madali pala yung gusto mo kaysa dun sa ginawa ko eh. O di sige. Burn. What's the only possible answer? BCG. That's elimination. Use what you already know. Maximize your knowledge. And follow? Maximize nyo, guys. Kaya nyo yan. Okay? So, the first strategy that I have taught you is the umbrella. Second is elimination. Okay? Third strategy. Ilan ang tamang sagot? Kung nanood na kayo ng modification techniques, sinabi ko to sa inyo. Ilan? Isa. Tama? Out of 4 choices, isa lang ang tamang sagot. Dun sa mga mag-NCLEX, okay, huwag nyo munang isipin ang select all that apply, ha? I will be making a separate video for NCLEX group that has select all that apply. Itong Itsumo test, itong modification techniques, kasi pwede siya for all types of examinations. Kaya, lahat kayo may access dito sa video na to. Pag wala kayong access dun sa video, ibig sabihin, it's not for your exam. Can you follow? Remember, ang claim namin dito is we don't mix materials. Am I right? Okay, so sige. Ilan ang tamang sagot? Isa. Paano kung halimbawa merong dalawang choices na pareho lang ang sinasabi? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Letter A, tachycardia. Letter B, a rapid heart rate. Natatawa ka. Bakit? Kasi na-encounter mo to sa Itsumo test kanina. Am I right? Okay, sige. Let's go. Now, that is known as the similar option strategy. So, similar options are basically 2 or more choices that are saying the same thing, only using different words. A, tachycardia. B, a rapid heart rate. Pasagot ka na ng tachycardia, bigla mo nakita si rapid heart rate. Sabi mo sa sarili mo, teka lang, pag sinagot ko ang tachycardia, para ko rin sinagot ang rapid heart rate. Alam ko na, rapid heart rate na lang ang isasagot ko. Di sasagot mo na sana si rapid heart rate. Kaya lang, sabi mo sa sarili mo, teka lang. Pag sinagot ko si rapid heart rate, para ko lang sinagot si tachycardia. Pag sinagot ko ang isa man sa kanila, para ko sinagot din yung isa pa. Ilan ang sinagot ko? 2. Ilan ang tamang sagot? Isa lang. So, whenever you see 2 options that are basically saying the other, what should you do? You burn both of them. Eliminate both of them. That's what you call similar option strategy. A. Jaundice, C. Yellowish discoloration of the skin. Okay? Those are what you call similar option strategy. Okay? You want to try this? Now, let's have an experiment. Hindi ko sasagutin kagad. I want you to answer it on your own. Ha? Let's have an example. Bibigay ko sa inyo ang keyword and then I will guide you throughout the process on how to answer it. Okay? Bigyan ko sa inyo ang keyword and I will guide you to the process on how to answer it and then you will answer on your own. You want to try it? Okay, let's try this. Okay. Keyword. Indicates the effectiveness. Okay. Based on the keyword, brand your stem. Once that the stem has already been branded, one by one, brand your choices. Take your time in branding your choices, ha? Once that the choices has already been branded, you can now apply the rule of thumb. Kaya kailangan nanood ka muna modification video. Once the rule of thumb has already been applied, try to use any strategies that we have learned. May sagot ka na? What's your answer? Dalawa lang naman ang possible na sagot eh. Naisagot mo ha. It's either A or letter C. The apple or the cat. What's the correct answer, Mr. Untalan? The correct answer is the cat. Tama ka ba? Huwag ka masyado maingay dyan. Baka sabihin nila nababaliw yung nanonood dun sa computer. Okay. Sige, bakit letter C? Okay, let's try ha. Indicates the effectiveness. Positive, negative. Very good. It's positive. A. Positive, negative. Positive. B. Positive, negative. Positive. C. Positive, negative. Positive. D. Okay. Bakit negative ang letter D? Very good kung negative, ha? Why? Dependence. Apply the rule of thumb. Eliminated kagad si letter D. 1/4 goes to 1/3. Longest answer ka, mali ka na agad. Yeah. Don't even think of using the longest answer. Ha? I'm telling you right now, guys. Use strategies. Don't use guessing techniques. Okay? Sige. Tama na tong tatlong to. Tama na to eh. Bakit ka? May napansin ka sa A and B? They are basically what? The same. May follow? Okay. Pareho silang kasali sa tinatawag na IEC. What is IEC? Information, education, communication. May follow? Or basically, they are saying the same thing. Anong sabi ng strategy natin? When two options are basically saying the same thing, you can already eliminate both of them. Shh. The only possible answer is letter C. You got that? Very good. May follow? Kung hindi ka man nakatama, don't feel bad. Okay? In this particular review, you're here to learn. You're not here to be judged. Naintindihan? Kaya kung mali ka, better here, better now than there. Are we clear? Okay, sige. Next strategies. Okay, I have, again Umbrella, elimination, similar option. Okay, next strategy. Ito yung tinatawag na anti-superlative strategy. So, we have 6 superlative words. What are those? Okay? So, we have do not, never, every, none, always, and only. Okay? 6 lang yan and they're synonyms. Now, wag nyong isasali ang word na all. Kapag merong lecturer at nagsabi sa inyo na superlative ang word na all, hindi niya alam ang pinag-uusapan, what he is doing or she is doing is getting test-taking strategies from NCLEX books. I'll explain it later kung bakit sigurado akong NCLEX niya kinuha yan. Ha? Okay. Hindi niya naiintindihan yung concept. Okay? So, eto, kabaligtaran to ng except. Remember, sinabi natin na may silbi ang word na except sa stem. Pero wala siyang silbi kapag nakita mo siya sa choices. So, eto, kabaligtaran. Okay? Eto naman, wala siyang silbi kapag nakita mo siya sa stem. May silbi siya kapag nakita mo siya sa choice. Yung choice, ginagawa niya negative. Hindi mali, hindi eliminated, just a simple negative. Let's have an example for you to understand it properly. Okay? Babalikan ko yung ginamit natin sa modification technique na exam. Okay? Okay. Are you familiar with this particular exam? Ginamit natin to sa modification technique. Sa mga kung hindi kayo familiar dito, please watch the modification, the 5-finger modification again, or you can open your exam package CD and you go for CHN1. This is the CHN1 exam. Okay? So, here's it. Okay? Anong sabi? Always, never. Those are the 6 absolute words. Pag ang always nakita mo sa taas, kanina nagtatanong ako ng keyword and binigayan nyo always dito. Walang silbi ang always pag nakita mo siya dito. May silbi ang always pag nakita mo siya dito. Remember, nung sinasagot natin to, questionable sa'yo kung ang letter D is positive or negative. Right now, alam mong negative siya. Bakit? Because of the word always. Natandaan nyo yan, ha? Okay, so this one makes it negative. Yeah, this one doesn't mean anything. Kapag ang always nandito, wala yang ibig sabihin. Pag ang always nandito, ang never nandito, that makes that particular question negative. Are we clear? Okay, let's go back. So we're back here. I want you to use this. Now, ang tanong ko, kasama mo ba ako sa board exam? Kasama mo ba ako sa HAAD mo, sa NCLEX mo, sa CRN mo, sa Prometric mo? The answer is no. Right? Okay. So, eto na ngayon. I will not give you the keyword anymore. I want you to answer this on your own. Can you follow? I want you to answer this on your own. So, ikaw na maghahanap ng keyword, ikaw na mag-modify, mag-isa ka. Okay? And then, pag-usapan natin yung sagot after mong sumagot. So, I'll give you time. Answer this. So, school nursing, ha? You don't need to post. I'm giving you time. Okay. May sagot ka na. Okay? What is your answer? There are 2 possible answers. It's A or D. Am I right? It's either apple or the dog. What's your answer? The correct answer is letter D. Tama ka ba? Okay. Bakit? Pakita ko sa'yo ha. Keyword. Focused on. Tell me, is it positive or is it negative? Very good. Positive. A, positive. B, bakit negative? Okay, only. Remember, yun yung strategy, di ba? C, negative. Bakit? Again, only. D, positive. Okay, rule of thumb. Shh. Burn silang dalawa. Am I right? Okay, it's the choice between these two. Bakit dog? Bakit hindi A? May isa pang strategy. And what is that? Very good. This is the umbrella answer. Sir, focused on Di dapat school? Yes. Kaya lang, dito ba walang school? Eto nga dinagdagan ko pa. Anong mas tamang sagot? Kulang o kompleto? Kaya, the answer here is letter D. Can you follow? Okay ha? Pag nakita nyo akong gumanito, that's the umbrella. Pag nagganito ako, that's the similar options. Okay, so yeah, that's how you do it. Are we clear? Okay, sana nakuha nyo to. Before we go back and answer the Itsumo test, may isa pa tayong strategy, but before I go to the last strategy, I just want to emphasize yung 6 absolute words, ha? Okay? The 6 absolute words. Do not, never, every, none, always, and only. Hindi kasali ang all. Why? Kasi, hindi useful sa Philippines ang all. Remember, anong rule kapag nakita mo sila sa choices? Yung choice gagawin mong negative. Sige. For example, letter A is health for all. Pwede mo ba gawin negative yan? Hindi. Kasi alam nating concept yan sa nursing. Sa CHN. Kung kayo'y for NCLEX, kung kayo'y for AAD, sige, salin nyo all. Pero, kung kayo'y pang local board, most definitely hindi kasali all. Ha? Letter B, health in the hands of all people. Of all people. Hindi mo rin pwedeng gawing negative yan because of the word all. Tandaan nyo ha, ang anti-superlative strategy is a weak form of strategy. Bakit siya tinawag na weak form of strategy? Malalaman nyo to pag kayo'y nasa Itsumo 2 na. Pero as of now, just remain basta isipin mo lang palagi yung 6 lang, ha? Okay. Sige, last strategy before we answer the Itsumo test. Okay, so pwede ko gawin dito tong last strategy na to. Okay? Sige. Alam nyo guys, etong tanong na to, kapag ikaw ay knowledge-based na tao, ang hirap nito para sa'yo. Pero kung ikaw isang strategist, okay, tapos ka agad to. Kahit nga guesser ka lang longest answer. Damn. Dog na agad. Tama? Pero, okay, yes. Ayoko pakita yung guessing. Gusto ko, strategy. For example, positive ang STEM. So, positive to. And then, huwag nyo munang intindihin niya mga only. Pinasitive mo silang lahat. Anong next step natin kapag ganyan? We raise our pinky and our ring finger. In other words, perform the 2 check, check, check. Tama? Okay. Ang problema, pag check, check, check mo, kasi sa check, 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 doon ka nakaka-eliminate or doon ka nakakapili. Ang problema, pag check, check, check mo, wala pa rin. Wow! Kung sino man ang gumawa ng exam, I would applaud him or her. Kasi ang isang taong magaling gumawa ng exam, guys, kaya niyang pagmukaing positive ang isang negative. Ibig sabihin, kaya niyang gawing mukhang correct answer ang distractor. May follow? Guess what? Mas magaling tayo sa kanya pagdating sa test taking. Okay? Pag ganyan ang senaryo, mag-check ka, walang lumalabas. Isa lang ang gawin mo. Makinig mabuti yung mga mahina sa MS at mahina sa PEDIA, ha? Ito yung strategy na common ko nakikita sa MS at sa PEDIA. Okay? Yes. Balikan mo system. Try to look for a word or a phrase that is found in the stem and in just one of the choices. Nakita nyo ba siya? Okay, very good. Ang tawag dyan, the mirror words. Okay? Or, in other books, ang tawag nila is the similar option strategy. Or not similar option, sorry. It's the same word or phrase strategy. Okay? So, yan yung tinatawag na same word or phrase strategy. Nabuo tong strategy na to because of copy-paste. Kaya, sabi ko sa inyo, common to sa MS, common to sa PEDIA. Anong similarity ng dalawang subject na yon? Both of them are technical subjects. Both of them, madalas may mga technical terms. Kaya, kapag merong technical term, minsan kina-copy-paste. And because of copy-paste, doon nabutong strategy na to. Are we clear? Okay, try nyo to. Hindi ko na kayo tuturuan, ha? Kayong sumagot. Pwede yan. What's the answer? Okay, very good. The answer is letter B. Ano yung giveaway? Okay, so high risk newborn. Parang napakasimpleng strategy, di ba? Pero very, very effective. Lalong-lalo na to sa mga technical subjects. Okay? One more. MS. What's the answer? Okay, when will my strength return? Okay, your strength will return after your full recovery. Best answer, letter D. Okay? So, I hope you got that. Damn. So, we'll be answering the Itsumo test. Okay, so let's answer the Itsumo test. Makikita nyo parang may nagbago sa Itsumo test. Pero ang totoo, hindi nagbago yung test. Kayo nagbago. Because right now, mas matalino na kayo kaysa kanina. Okay? Sige. Let's go back to the Itsumo test. Okay guys, let's answer the Itsumo test. Alam ko, excited na kayo nasagutan to, no? Okay, sabi ko sa inyo kanina, as if it will change, okay? Bakit it will change? Kasi tingnan nyo ang Itsumo test ngayon. Kanina, when you're starting to answer it, as if parang ang hirap-hirap niya. Pero ngayon, tingnan nyo, bakit parang mas madali na siya kesa sa kanina. Okay, so, let's go with number 1. Now, I want you to give me the answer plus give me the strategy that is involved in this particular item. Okay, so let's start with number 1. Okay, so what's your answer? Very good. Okay, alam ko tama kayo dito. The answer here is letter C. Now, why letter C? Okay, most of you got this correct because of the fact that medyo mahaba siya. At the same time, nandun siya sa C. Okay, I just want to point that out The longest answer is the right answer, and the power of C are not test-taking strategies. They are what we call guessing techniques. Okay? So, ayokong yun ang gagamitin nyo na pang-answer sa Itsumo test because I want you to use strategies in how to answer this, and specifically the strategies that we have learned. Okay, so what's the answer here? Okay, very good. The answer here again is letter C, but the reason is not because of the longest answer or because it's letter C. The reason for the answer is because of the fact that it is basically a mirror word. Look at that. Kokoro. Okay, kakaturo ko lang ng strategy. Okay, so kokoro. And then, of course, Eiro Itsumo. Okay, so Eiro Itsumo. That's what you call the mirror words. Okay, or the same word or phrase strategy. I like to call it mirror words kasi pag tinawag mo siyang same word or phrase, diba, there is also a strategy that is known as similar options. Kaya minsan nalilito yung students. Okay, so I call it mirror words para mas madali natin siya matandaan. Okay, I hope you got that correct. Okay, let's go with number 2. Okay, number 2. Which are always present when Itsumo kokoro? Okay, tama ba kayo dito? What's your answer? Okay, most students answer it's either the boy or the dog. So, either the boy or the dog. What's the correct answer? The best answer here, guys, is none other than the dog. Okay? What is the strategy that we use here? Okay, we use the umbrella. Okay, umbrella. Pwede ka gumamit ng elimination dito kung mapapansin nyo. Okay? Which are always present. Yun ang tanong ni STEM always present. So, as you can see, mata here, mata there, mata everywhere. And then, of course, that is how you use the umbrella effect. Okay? Pwede elimination, na kay STEM ang clue, or pwede rin namang umbrella effect. So, you can use either of the two strategy. Okay? Yung mga sumugot ng boy, kasi nagbago lang. Okay? Nilagay lang yung mata dito. So, feeling mo na siya na yung sagot. Pero, always remember, hindi tsambahan ang Itsumo test. Akala ng iba, when you say test-taking technique, tinuturuan ko kayo mahula. So, tanong ko sa inyo, dun sa mga pinag-aralan na natin, modification, Itsumo test, meron na ba akong tinuro kung paano manghula? Okay, lahat ng ginagawa natin, merong reason. Hindi to hula-hula lang, guys. That's the thing about test-taking. Okay, akala nila nang hula tayo, pero ang totoo, lahat ng ginagawa natin may process. Lahat ng answers natin may reason. Okay, may rationale. Let's go. Number 3. How do tayo nulma daw first meter gate? Okay? So, kung ang answer nyo dito is letter D, dog. Okay? Halatang-halata kung ano ginagamit mo. You're using the longest answer. But the answer here is not letter D. The answer here is, okay, let me teach you. Okay? Simple-simple. Now, look at the stem. Okay? Look at the stem muna. Bago ko sabihin ang tamang sagot. Nakita nyo ba yung keyword sa stem? Pag unang tingin mo sa STEM, pwede mong sabihin, wala akong naiintindihan. Pero actually, meron kang maiintindihan sa STEM. And ano yung maiintindihan mo sa STEM? Okay, how do? Enough yun para sabihin kung ang STEM is what? Positive or negative. Now, tell me, how do? Positive or negative? Very good, it's positive. Therefore, okay, look at that. Do not, always, never. Okay? All of them are what? Negatives. So, the only possible answer is none other than, okay, letter A. Okay? Please take note of that. I hope na nakatama kayo dito. Let's go. Number 4. What is the most important reason why Basho got to her for in December? Okay? So, tingnan nga natin kung nakatama sila dito. Okay? Actually, kung gusto mo mirror words lang, Bashoga, may Bashoga ka dito. Pero tingnan mo, may December ka rin sa letter D. Now, tingnan nyo mabuti ha. Aside from the December, look, nagtanong si STEM. Hindi mo napansin, sumagot ang letter D? Okay, at the same time, yan, her fur. herfering. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, mas maraming nagsasabi kesa kay letter A, mas maraming nagsasabing ang tamang sagot is letter D. Therefore, what's the correct answer? Of course, the correct answer here is none other than letter D. Okay, sige. Tama ba kayo? Let's continue. Number 5. Which behavior by the itsumo indicate that it is synthetic crusting? Ano tamang sagot? Pansin niyo yan? Okay, the best answer is letter C. Why? Running is similar to jogging. Okay, running is similar to jogging. Jogging is similar to walking fast. They are eliminating one another. Remember my symbols, ha? Kapag gumanito ako, that is the umbrella. Pag yung dalawang options, ginanyan ko, that is the similar options, i-eliminate both of them. Pag bumilog ako sa stem, tapos bumilog ako sa choice, that is the mirror words. Tandaan niyo yung mga symbolisms na yan because we will be using that even as we go on. Remember, it's sumuwan pa lang to. Basic pa lang ang natutunan nyo dito. Okay? Sige. Habang tumatagal tayo, dumadami yung mga symbols na ginagamit ko. Okay? Sige, let's go. Number 6, what's the best answer here? Dare ka to have difficulty didarig with kana. What is the best explanation for this behavior? Simple enough. What's the best answer? Okay, very good. The best answer is letter A, apple. Why? Dare ka to. Okay, they are mirror words. Let's go. Number 7. That's a very simple explanation for this one. Mr. Toyi is itsumoing. Which action should the nurse take first? Okay? Now, ang most common answers ng mga students dito, it's either letter B, boy, or letter D. Why? Boy or dog? Letter B, it's because of the airway. Letter D, it's asking him how he feels. In other words, assessment. Remember, when your keyword is asking you to prioritize, okay, we have 3 basic guidelines. Okay, we have Maslow's hierarchy, we have ABC, and we have the nursing process. This one is ABC. This one is nursing process. So, ano mas tamang sagot, guys? Kung nakita nyo ang reason kung bakit siya yung mas tamang sagot, ibig sabihin, mataas ang level ng strategy mo. Okay? Kung nakita mo yung reason na i-explain ko, okay? It's because of the fact na may alam ka na hindi alam ng ibang tao or nakaka-recognize ka ng strategy, and I'm telling you, you enhance that particular recognition of strategies. Okay? Yung iba, sasagot, ang tamang talagang sagot dito is letter B. Okay? I'm telling you right now, ang tamang talagang sagot dito is letter B. Now, bakit letter B? Bakit hindi letter D? Some people would say action. Kasi daw action. Okay? Bakit? Asking him how he feels is also an action. Am I right? Some would say, because sir, ABC to. Bakit? This is assessment. This is nursing process. Remember, ang ABC, prerequisite niya pa si Maslow. Eto, wala tong prerequisite. Ibig sabihin, magkasing, magkasing kahulugan lang sila o magkasing bigat lang sila if you're talking about what? Prioritization. Bakit letter B? Bakit letter B? Okay, the answer here is simple. Kasi may naka-embed ditong isa pang strategy. Guys, yung Itsumo test, Itsumo 1, maraming strategies yan per item. Konti lang nare-recognize mo, it's because of the simple fact na beginner level pa lang kasi. Pero makikita mo, pag nag-Itsumo 2 ako, excuse me, okay, pag nag-Itsumo 2 ako, makikita mo, papakita uli ang Itsumo 1 sa'yo. And then, makikita mo, marami ka pang namimiss. Okay? So, papakita ko sa inyo, bakit hindi letter D, dog? Bakit boy ang sagot dito sa number 7? Okay? Kung nakita mo to, I'm telling you, ha? Pag nakita mo to, or na-convince mo sarili mo na ito yung sagot, or because of this particular concept, ibig sabihin higher yung level ng strategy mo. And I'm telling you right now, i-enhance mo yan. Okay? The answer here is letter B. Because. Why? Bakit hindi dog? Look at A. Inquire about his level of comfort. Look at dog again. Asking him how he feel. They are basically what? Similar. Look at cat. Encourage communication. Look at the dog again. Asking him how he feel. Again, they are similar. Kita nyo yun? May nakapatong na strategy. That's the basic reason kung bakit boy ang sagot. Because the other answers are eliminating one another. Kung nakita mo yon, very good. Kung hindi mo yun nakita, improve natin yung strategies mo. Okay, so that's the concept there. Let's continue. Number 8. What's the best answer here? What nursing diagnosis takes priority? Very good. Napaka-simple niyan. Ineffective airway. Dito mo makikita kung paano sumagot even if you don't know what is being asked. Look at this. Look at the stem again. Mata ko'y neutsite mo. Yun lang ang hindi mo maintindihan dyan. And that is a disease. Mata ko'y neutsite mo. It could be a disease that you don't know. Actually, it's a non-existent disease right now. So, kung gawin ko yung COPD, ano sagot? Ineffective airway pa rin. Kung gawin ko yung Chagas disease, maybe alam mo, maybe hindi mo alam ang Chagas disease. Pero ano pa rin ang sagot? Ineffective airway pa rin ang sagot. Gets nyo? That's how you deal with questions that you don't know. Okay? Pero ingat din kayo dito because ito yung pwedeng gawing trap. Pag nag-aaral na tayo ng traps, maintindihan nyo ano yung sinasabi ko. Okay? So, meron pa bang walang mali? Oh, very good. Pero, most definitely, marami ng mali yung iba. Okay, sige, let's go. Number 8. Okay, a client is aruk karaing. Which would the nurse expect to find during assessment? Oh, what's the best answer here? Simple enough. Tachycardia, rapid heart rate, they are basically similar. And ano nangyayari during fibrillation? Diba? Kaya nga nagkakaroon ng sawtooth appearance yung ECG. It's because of the simple fact na mabilis yung heartbeat. Kaya tachycardia din yon. Therefore, burnt, only possible answer, bradycardia. Okay? So, I want you to give yourself a round of applause kung hanggang ngayon wala ka pang mali. Oh, papalakpakan kita, ha? Maririnig ba sa mic? Okay, sige. Papalakpakan kita. Kung makaka-perfect ka ng ITSO mo, 1, very good. Okay, kung naging student na ito before, dapat perfect mo na to, ha? Okay, so sige, last item. Item number 10. Okay? Now, sa tingin ng iba, napakadali nitong tanong na to. Okay? Kaya lang, hindi ganun kadali to. Bakit? Because this is a trap. Okay? What's your answer? Most of you answered, hulaan ko sagot mo, letter D. Tama? But that is not the correct answer. Why? Sige ha, pakita ko sa inyo. Balikan nyo si stem. What's the issue? Unang-unang tinuro ni Mr. Montalan sa modification? Issue. Hindi Itsumo syndrome ang issue. What's the issue? Nursing action. Least priority ang keyword. Okay? Let's perform check. Remember, check. Okay, so check. TSB. Is this a nursing action? Check. B. Is this a nursing action? Check. C. Breathing exercises. Is this a nursing action for your client? Check. MRI. Is that a nursing action? No. It should have been eliminated. Least priority. Natatandaan mo yung sinabi sa'yo ng professor mo or ng CI mo na huwag kang sasagot ng hindi mo ginagawa. Ito yung sinasabi nilang yon. It's a least priority. It's a common trap in the board exam. Hihingin ng situation or hihingin ng STEM ang least priority and then maglalagay sila ng isang option na hindi ginagawa ng isang nurse. So, yung mga students, automatic isasagot nila yon kasi naman least priority. Pwede daw yon kasi least priority. Hindi totoo yon. Remember, what's the rule of the issue? Whatever is the issue, that is the only possible answer. Pag tinanong kita, let me give you a concrete example. Pag tinanong kita, anong pinakaayaw mong kulay? Ang sagot na ba makapal? No. Kahit ang tanong ko, what is your least favorite color? The answer would still be a color. Remember, the only possible answer is the answer that coincides with the rule of the issue. And what's the rule of the issue? Whatever is the issue, that is the only possible answer. So it's not letter D. Letter D should have been eliminated. Don't worry guys, ha? I will teach you how to get away from traps pagdating ng time. Okay? I'll teach you the SPART exam or the 10 common traps. Kayang-kaya niyo yan. Basta kailangan lang alam nyo kung paano siya lusutan. Look at this. Least priority. Balikan natin to. Dalawang physiologic, isang psychologic. What's the least? Okay, the answer here is letter D. Tandaan nyo, ha? According to Abraham Maslow, mas mabigat pa rin ang physiologic kesa sa psychologic, even in psychiatric cases. Remember, let's have a good example. For example, anorexia. What is the primary nursing diagnosis for a client with anorexia? So, anorexia, as we all know, that is a what? That is a psychological problem. Pero ano pa rin ang primary nursing diagnosis natin sa kanya? Nutrition, fluid volume deficit. Diba? Physiologic pa rin. Even though psychological yung problem, physiologic ang primary nursing diagnosis. Another good example. For example, dementia. What is the primary nursing diagnosis for a client with dementia? Again, we all know that is a psychological problem. But what is the primary nursing diagnosis? Okay, di ba? Safety, physiologic pa rin. So, tatandaan nyo yun, ha? Always remember, even if your question is psychologic, you have to go with the priority of physiologic. And, isa pa, whenever you're being asked for the least priority, okay, mag-check ka dun sa sagot mo. Baka hindi issue yung sinasagot mo. Okay? So, thank you. Medyo mahaba na tong video na to. Anyway, so, siguro gagawin kong 2 parts to para hindi naman masyadong mabigatan yung mga students sa panonood. Online nurse review alternative. Will be making a lot of videos for you guys. So, yung mga nakatanggap na ng mga examination package nila, so pwede na kayong magsagot and then you can download the rationale from our website. So, this is Aaron C. Wayuntalan. I will cut this video now. Thank you. God bless you all and goodbye.